cookie banners and what to do about them. The wrong thing to do is to hit the button that simply says, I accept. The right thing to do is to look at the cookie settings. Select it, and now you have choices of what cookies to accept and what cookies you want to turn off. Almost all sites, in order to make them usable, have necessary cookies. These cookies are necessary for the website to function and can't be switched off in our system. They are usually only set in response to actions made by you, which amount to a request for services, such as setting your privacy preferences, logging in or filling in forms, and you get to set your browser to block or alert you about these cookies. But some parts of the site may not work if you do that. Necessary cookies are something I always allow. Next, we come into performance cookies. And personally, I allow necessary cookies. I don't allow performance cookies. Turn it off. And then you have the social sharing cookies. That's where they share your information with all of their buddies, and you will get bombarded from all over the place. So, social sharing, third-party cookies, thank you, but no thanks. Turn it off. You've now made an educated decision of what to allow and what not to allow as far as cookies on that website. Save the information, and the next time you visit that website, you're not going to see that cookie banner. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. And have a happy 4th of July.